individuals understand how to take care for themselves. Just as a caterpillar encases itself in a cocoon before transforming into a butterfly. You might view yourself as a grammar expert. In writing, we use pronouns to replace nouns. When the noun serves both as the subject and the object, we use a specific type of pronoun called a reflexive pronoun. What is a reflexive pronoun? A reflexive pronoun is used as an object that refers back to the same person or thing as the subject. For example, in the sentence, Nina loves herself. The word herself is a reflexive pronoun because it refers to the same person as the subject, Nina. Other words, Nina loves Nina. Reflexive pronouns are employed when the object of a verb or preposition is the same as the subject of the sentence. For example, Becky introduced herself. Becky is both the doer and the receiver of the action. The puppy looked at himself in the mirror. The puppy is both the subject and the object of the preposition. List of reflexive pronouns. Singular reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is singular if it refers to only one person or thing. The most common singular pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself. Now, if a reflexive pronoun is plural, if it refers to more than one person or the most common plural reflexive pronouns are ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. The term themselves is occasionally used in non-standard English as a variant of themselves or as a reflexive form of they when referring to a single person in a neutral. Now, here are the examples of singular reflexive pronouns. I ate my breakfast by myself. We will buy, so you will have to drive yourself to the airport. Now, there are the examples of plural reflexive pronouns. Hi everybody, help yourselves to some pancakes. The silly clowns made fools of themselves. Understanding singular and plural nouns can help ensure proper pairing with their respective pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are different from the intensive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns look identical to another type called intensive pronouns, which also end in self or selves. However, these nouns serve different grammatical purposes. Reflexive pronouns are used when the object of a sentence or preposition is the same as the subject. Mario quickly dressed himself. Mario is both the subject and the object. Intensive pronouns are used to emphasize the subject by repeating. This can highlight an impressive accomplishment or an unusual. The queen herself showed up to the wedding. The pronoun emphasizes the subject. It was surprising that the queen attended. How to use reflexive pronouns? Reflexive pronouns are used differently from most other pronouns. The main difference is that they are not usually the subjects of sentences or clauses. For example, we would say Benny went to the movie by himself, but not himself went to the movie. For clarity, it must be evident what the reflexive pronoun refers to. Each reflexive pronoun matches a personal pronoun. The reflexive pronoun refers to the same entity as its personal pronoun. For example, my, self or me. Yourself, you as a singular. Itself as it. Himself as him. If you are unsure which reflexive pronoun to use, consider what personal pronoun would be if the subject were the object of the sentence. Typically, reflexive pronouns are not used as the subjects of sentences or clauses. This is usually only possible with the passive voice, and even then the result can sound confusing or incorrect. For example, ourselves were introduced by us. Correct version is we introduce ourselves. A common mistake is using a reflexive pronoun in place of a personal pronoun like I, me, he, she. If you have any questions, just ask Nancy, Drew, or myself. In everyday speech and writing, the sentence might be misunderstood, but it contains a grammatical error that needs correction in formal writing. The error is more apparent if you shorten the sentence. This common mistake is less problematic in casual context but should be avoided in formal writing. I hope you like this video and gain the knowledge for reflexive pronouns. If you have any questions, please drop down in the comment section, and see you in my next episode. Take care.